This is probably the most common type of assignment. It utilizes the patch clean and dirty. This patch is very versatile and not only toggles between a clean and distorted preamp channel with the control pedal, but also has reverb, delay, and the solo function assigned to the sub-expression pedal so that it can double as a solo patch. The volume and wah is set to the internal expression. Of course, if you don't have a sub-expression pedal, you could assign them to the internal expression pedal, but you will lose the use of the volume and wah function. Firstly, let's press the control expression button so that we can assign our channel switch to the control pedal. Use the patch value wheel to find the preamp channel AB parameter. Now, one thing to pay close attention to is making the assignment active. Look closely and you'll see that the LED screen is flashing ever so slightly, and the control expression button is also flashing. This means that the control pedal function is turned off. To make this active, you must press the button once. It is now active. Okay, press the right parameter button. Here we have the master expression switch function. Assigning a parameter here will override the foot volume, so for example, when you use it to turn the wah on, you can use the pedal without changing the volume. On the other hand, if you were to set the wah on/off to one of the assigned variables, it wouldn't override the foot volume. That's why wah on/off needs to be set to the expression switch. Again, if the button is flashing, press it to make the assignment active and use the patch value wheel to assign the wah on/off parameter. Press the right parameter button again and ensure that the foot volume function is also turned on. Now, we'll press the assign variable button in order to make our other settings. So, our first parameter is the reverb level. If the LED screen is flashing, you must press the variable button to make the assignment active. Now, scroll right and use the value wheel to set the reverb level as our target. Scroll right again to come to the minimum setting. In this patch, I want our reverb level to be 0 in the minimum position. Scrolling right again will allow you to set the maximum setting. I will set this to 20. That means when the expression pedal is in the fully forward position, the reverb level will be at 20. Scroll right again. Now we'll set the source. For this patch, I will be using the sub-expression pedal. Scroll right again and set the source mode to normal. This means that the value will increment from your minimum value to your maximum value, giving you full control over the parameter. If it was set to toggle, it would just jump from the minimum straight to the maximum value without all of the values in between. For now, skip past the active low and high settings. Now we'll make our second assignment. Again, if the screen is flashing, press the variable button to make it active. This second assignment will be for our delay level. I have made the minimum setting 0 and the maximum setting 25. The source is also set to the sub-expression pedal and the source mode, again, will be normal. Now, we'll set the solo button to toggle on and off. Use assign variable number 3 and use the value wheel to find the solo A and B on/off. Oh, incidentally, all these settings that we've just used so far are also in the quick assign presets, as they are all fairly common settings. So, after setting the solo on/off, set the minimum to off and the maximum to on. The source will also be the sub-expression pedal and the mode will also be set to normal. That's it. Now we have a rhythm patch that can toggle between clean and dirty, as well as double as a solo patch, with or without wah.